Yep, this is that F-150 hood, but don't worry, it used to get me too. But here's some of the tips and tricks that I've learned to make this hood a breeze. First, we're gonna measure it. Always allow some slack on these hoods because they don't require a lot of stretch. That extra slack is gonna allow that film to lay down, no tension. Control the film, don't let it control y'all. Now, I can't say this enough, prep is gonna be key. Make sure these edges are clean and ready to wrap, or you're gonna be hating life. So double check, even triple check for stuff, trust me. Now we on to the first prep squeegee. Getting all that surface dirt off so we can lay down some gel on this hood. Here it is, that Insta Gel. This is going to be the key to these installs with these tough deep body panels, but make sure you cake it onto the areas that you need the film to sink down, and always spray the panel and the film to get a good even layer of the gel. Keep watching, you about to see. Remember, it's always good to have a helping hand on these hoods. I have the homie Lewis here. He's going to help me transfer and evenly stretch out the front of this hood, but remember, don't stress out the film, just a slight pull. Now let's grab the brush. I know y'all went and got it. Watch how this brush be laying down this film like butter. No pop back, stress free. But make sure you're moving all that gel to the front of the letters because you're about to see why. Now after we hit these big recess areas, we're going to be working on the letters. Brush as much of that gel out as you can and then use a softer squeegee so we could extract all the gel out. This is why you don't want to stretch too much. You want these letters to just fall into place with no tension. And with this ULTRAFIT film, these letters don't stand a chance. They just lay down smooth. I see a lot of you guys cutting around these. Trust me, these could lay down. Now get that arrow blade because we ain't waiting, we're trimming. And after that, get that DI water so we can flush all the gel out of these edges because it's about to be a wrap. Now we back with the blow dryer. I really like this technique because it gives off just enough heat, just enough to wrap these edges without damaging the film. If we follow these steps, y'all can wrap these edges right away because anybody could copy a technique. Understanding why it works is where it makes a difference. Hope this video helps a lot of you guys out. I'm Anthony Magana, and you can follow me on Instagram at PPF_Tony for more tips, tricks, and my advanced techniques.